good afternoon or good evening, depending on the time that you're viewing. I want to welcome you to this episode of Gallivant with Kris and Tony. We are packed. We are getting ready to leave and head out on the interstate to Pensacola to go to Fort Lauderdale. Yes, going on our cruise. Going on our cruise to the Caribbean. And
it's our nephew's 21st birthday cruise.
On the Carnival Celebration. And we are packed and ready to...
There's Bob. Bye, Bob. Be good. Take care of the house, no parties.
Or have a party, but just don't let us know.
So we're here at the airport, and every lot's full. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and parked way out in some econo lot at Pensacola Airport here. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna go. I dropped Kris off with the bags, and I'm walking over there now. We're on the plane, ready, coming at you.
Welcome to the Fort Lauderdale, the yachting capital of the world. Please remain seated with your seatbelt.
All right, we're here at the Hilton Garden Inn in Fort Lauderdale, and going to show you the room. They are currently renovating the property, so it is kind of nice because there are things that are new, but there's definitely construction going on. That's nice. This floor is currently completed, and we are in 614. There's Kris. You first come in though, have a nice little closet space. Little drawers. Shelf up top there. Got your little microwave and coffee maker and a little refrigerator down in here. Nothing nice and clean in there. A walk-in shower, toilet. That's nice. Handheld and a wall mount. And we got some amenities. Shampoo, shower gel, conditioner. Nice mirror. Your sink and towels. And you got nice wardrobe mirror. You got your TV. Desk area. Plenty of plugs. Yeah, plenty of plugs. Have a look at the room.
Clean.
It is clean. I was mentioning how there are renovations going on, but it's nice that this floor is done. But
It's for one night.
one night and one night only. So this is the Hilton Garden Inn, Fort Lauderdale. All right, we're gonna go grab something to eat. We're in the elevator.
Happy
Down.
hour with $6 drinks.
Happy hour. I guess if I stand behind it. Anywho, we're gonna go eat at a deli. TooJays. We're gonna try it out. Oh, so there's the happy hour, yes. Happy hour. Monday to Sunday, 5 to 7. Oh boy. And we're walking. There's a little outside look of it. It's very Floridian. All right, so if you're ever in this area and you're staying at the Hilton Garden Inn, there's quite a few different places to eat. It's an Outback. I mean, we would just walk basically around the corner. I don't know, it's a fast food place. Outback. PDQs. Oh man. I know, I saw that. So we're here at TooJays to have lunch. And we are trying the lunch for two with 3 meats and 2 cheeses. It was alright. We were just really hungry. Now we're gonna try a piece of their key lime pie. See how that is. We got to try 3 of their meats, 2 of their cheeses, make our own sandwiches, key lime pie, had an Arnold Palmer, and a unsweetened tea. $46. Could have been better. Could have been better. But it was good.
It was good,
Yeah.
but I wouldn't come back.
No. If you're in the area, you can try it. But I'm sure there's other things. But we don't have a deli where we're at, so we wanted to give this deli a try. So that's it for now. Bye. Good morning. Want to give you a little recap of our first day. Our first day, we ended up going last night and having some
Cuban food.
Cuban food at Padrino's. And honestly, we'd have to say that it isn't something we would recommend at all. We like sweet plantains, and it seemed like they might be in a shortage of sweet plantains. And overall, the Cuban sandwich wasn't even very good. So I have to say we don't recommend Padrinos.
No.
Overall, the day was good though. Had a great experience on Spirit Airlines.
Did.
Got us here fast. Got us here safely. Service was good.
Jamie
Yeah,
on
flight
the
attendant
Fort
Jamie.
Lauderdale flight.
Yeah.
Awesome.
The Hilton Garden Inn shuttle showed up. We got here. Again, if you come here while they're doing the renovations, I don't recommend it. There's a lot of things that still are in the works that don't seem very good. We would show you the low water pressure in the shower, but it gets you clean. The air conditioner goes on and off throughout the night. It's kind of loud, so it wakes you up. But I'm sure maybe when this place is completely renovated, it'll be better. I hope. But starting day 2 here, we're going to be catching a shuttle.
Yes, shuttle. We got Pride Lux limo to take us from Fort Lauderdale to Miami's port. So we're looking forward to that. And we're in our cruise shirts designed by my nephew's friend.
Celebrating his 21st birthday.
Yes, that's what this cruise is all about. And family.
So we get our boarding time is between 1 and 1:30. So we'll probably come back at you around that time.
Good morning. Yay, there she is. Oh my God, she's huge.